Let me wait until
Yeah, keep going.
Okay.
They're so cute. Look how happy.
Switch hands.
Remember, spray up, don't spray them directly. Isn't she the cutest thing?
She is.
Where'd the boys go? Oh, there's Oliver.
He's like, I would like in, please.
Yeah, she never lets him in. Even when she's done, she'll get out of the Slinky, but then as soon as she sees one of the boys getting in the Slinky, she's like, nuh-uh. I like that they're bathing and Horatio's like, I don't know what's happening. Hi, Horatio.
Oh. Did you get a picture of that?
No, what happened?
Oliver spread his wings there.
Oh yeah, there he does that a lot.
He had them like fully spread across the front of the...
He's so cute. There he goes. He's banana. If I try and get pictures, they usually turn out blurry, so if I get a video, I can use stills.
Yeah.
There goes Violet. And Oliver. Oliver's like, what am I doing? Oh, there he goes.
Aww.
Surprised she's letting him. Usually she'll attack him. Oh, there she comes.
Like,
Get out of there. She's like, I don't even want to bathe. I just don't want you to bathe. Now they're all just drinking.
Yes, I did just get the little rapist Chloe got.
I can see your butt, Oliver. I love that he does that with his wings. Did you just spray him in the butt?
Yes.
Oh, poor Oliver. Oliver's like, what just happened to my butt?
Okay, you guys done?
Yeah, I think they're done. Violet's just monopolizing the Slinky.